Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I wanted to do a sweet pink Valentine's makeup look. I'm using my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette for this. So make sure to please continue watching if you guys would like to see how I achieve this makeup look right here. I've curled my hair and will be using my Velcro hair pads to keep my hair out of my face without leaving any kinks. My face is already moisturized and I'll be applying the No Problem Primer to create a nice, smooth base for my foundation. As usual, I'll be using my favorite NARS foundation, but this time, I'll be using the Real Techniques Beauty Sponge to apply. Oh my god, I am literally obsessed with it! I've always seen and heard about it, but I don't know why I didn't jump on the bandwagon. Well, I'm all aboard now, and I'm freaking loving it! I'll be using the sponge to apply my concealer as well, and all I gotta say is, damn, I wish I started sooner. I'll be gently setting my base with the micro finishing loose powder from Makeup Forever. I don't apply this everywhere on my face anymore. I really don't know why, but I find that I just put it in the places of my face where I want it to look more highlighted. It's time to shade in my eyebrows. I'm using the Milk Makeup Gel Brow Pencil in the shade Pilsner. Now on to priming my eyelids. I'm using the NARS Smudge Proof Eyeshadow Base. I used to use concealer instead, and that works just as good, just in case you don't have an eyeshadow primer. I'll now be taking the first shade called Tempura in the Anastasia palette and applying that over my entire eyelid to create an even base. I'm taking the next shade in Buon Fresco, which is like a dusty baby pink, and applying that with my tapered blending brush from the base of my lash line and extending it upwards to a couple millimeters under my eyebrows. This is creating a nice transition for when I apply the next brighter pink shade. Now is the tricky part. I find that sometimes red or pink shades are a little bit tricky to blend out. So for this part, I'm taking the shade Love Letter in the palette and slowly applying this and adding more as I go along. But not forgetting to blend, of course. The trick to smoking out your eyeshadow is literally endlessly blending and a lot of patience. I'm going back in with the dusty pink color that I used as the transition shade and just blending out the outer edges to make sure that everything is nicely evenly blended together. I find that when I do this, it really helps assure that gradient smoky effect. I felt that I wanted to pack down more of the love letter shade onto my eyelid just to add more vibrancy, since I decided that I wouldn't be using eyeliner for this look today. Now it's time to work on the lower lash line. I like to use the NYX Jumbo Pencil and Milk to create a base. I smudge it out with my small smudge brush. The first shade I'll be applying to my lower lash line is a transition color with my slightly tapered contour eye brush. And then I'll be using the brown shade in Cypress Umber to add some more dimension and depth. I'll be highlighting my brow bone with the shimmery pink shade called Vermeer, and then using the same shade for the inner corners of my eyes. So I've already gone ahead and applied my falsies. I used the Ardell Demi Wispies and also applied mascara to my bottom lashes. I'll be using my favorite bronzer from Tarte in Hotel Heiress. I'll be using the flat top contour stippling brush. I haven't heard of this brand before, but what got me was the rose gold handles. The bristles are actually really dense and super soft. So I'll be contouring under my cheekbones, around my forehead, and underneath my chin. I'm taking the Lift Concealer from Makeup Forever to highlight the bridge of my nose, the center of my forehead, and underneath my eyes. I love the glowy effect that it creates. I never skip this step when I do my full face. I'm taking the tapered eye contour brush and adding a bit more of the transition color just to make sure the bottom lash line is definitely smoked out. Now to finish off the highlighting, I'm taking the two shimmery shades in the palette to add to the tip of my nose and to my Cupid's bow. And for the lips, I first take the matte lip color in shade Neutral from E.L.F. And then to add a slight pink sheen to my lips, I'm taking the Revlon Just Bitten Lip Balm in shade Honey to add to the center of my lips. I didn't want it to go completely pink or completely nude, so I decided to mix these two shades together. I feel that it paired up perfectly with my eyes. And lastly, of course, to set my entire face, I'm finishing off with the Dewy Setting Spray from NYX. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like this look and would like to see more, make sure to give my video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe. That way you guys get notifications of when I upload new videos. I look forward to seeing you guys in my future videos. Take care and see you next time.